Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching Virtuoso Palette, your own art channel. During the series of Endangered Animals, your valuable comments made me think to work a little more on the topic. I have brought this topic again, Endangered Animals, on mini canvas of Virtuoso Palette in silhouettes. So do give me your comments and share Virtuoso Palette with your family and friends to look, watch and observe.
Viewers, today's painting on Virtuoso Palette is for Vaquita, the smallest cetacean on Earth, a cousin of the largest animal in the world, the blue whale. Cetacean meaning of aquatic, mostly marine mammals that includes whales or dolphins, etc. You can see the placement of Vaquita stencil on my mini canvas, and I am using a blend of medium green, black and white to fill the base. The consistency of the paint is a little thin and it might pass the stencil, which is not to worry because I shall be using the tones of this green in the fish too. Vaquita is the rarest sea mammal in existence, and due to illegal fishing, according to a news report, it is estimated that there are only about 9 vaquitas left in the world. Now you can see the stencil off, and I have added more white in the tone of green I had prepared. The paint is thick and I shall give some layers in the vaquita, but let's fix the shape first. I'm filling the fish as well. You can see that I'm creating more layers. The reason of more layers on the fish is that I intend to draw on the final layer using a darker tone of this green. I'm adding more layers and blending them with the previous layer. Now using a toothpick, I'm giving a little detail in one of the fins, but overall the image will be painted as a silhouette. Other than the fin, I might draw the eye of Vaquita and will give some touch for the mouth as well, just a little shady effect. There's its eye and some shades for the mouth. There you go. Now adding some chrome yellow and some black. I'll start with some black to the tone I prepared with medium green, black and white. I'm drawing some marine life on the silhouette of Vaquita. Now I'll add chrome yellow in the medium green and give some more shades to the marine life in the fish. Viewers, do give me your feedback on Virtuoso Palette as always for this Vaquita. See you in the next video with facts about another endangered animal. I'll be waiting for your response and suggestions. Bye.
Well, hope that you enjoyed the painting. See you soon with another video of endangered animals in silhouettes. Till then, take care. Bye.